December 2017 is when I decided to take the plunge or the switch from TradFi over to crypto, and I haven't looked back since. I'd love to tell you that the transition from TradFi stocks and stuff like that over to crypto was seamless and easy. Yeah, right. A lot of you that are new to crypto or you're interested in crypto, or even those of you that have been in crypto for a while, crypto is its own different market. Not only is it 24/7 like Forex, but it's way more volatile than Forex. You don't need leverage to go crazy with some profits and also some drawdown. But the disparities and the differences between TradFi and crypto is just massive that it literally took me about a year to really figure out, okay, how is this market behaving so wildly, so differently? What are alts? What are these alternative markets? And now I have these different pairings, and now everything is moving. Why is everything like there are so many things happening in crypto? Because when I entered crypto, I was coming from a TradFi background. I was coming from this idea of trading 9 to 5, using the stock market, looking at swing trade opportunities, making like 1 to 2% in a trade. It's like, yay, crypto 1 or 2% is pitiful. You can easily make that in a single trade, whether it's up or down. The main thing that I realized early on when I made the transition, the move from stocks to crypto, was that I was ill prepared, I was completely uninformed, and it really threw me for a loop. So I did what all of you do. I went to YouTube. And unfortunately, following a lot of people was not the best idea because at that time it was peak euphoria. There were a lot of people that were talking about this, that, and the other. Everyone is making these bold proclamations. This level is going to hold. This is going to happen next. All this. And the reality is that a lot of those people were still figuring it out too. Fast forward 8 years. As I've continued to plunge myself into the cryptocurrency market, I've learned so much more about what it really means to be a better trader, especially in the lens of the crypto markets. I've learned that Bitcoin is the driving force behind the entire crypto market. I've learned the power of narratives. I've learned about taking profit. I've learned about when to enter at the most optimal time and when to take profit at the most optimal times. And not just trying to time the pico bottom and the pico top, but learning how to scale in and scale out of positions. Now, I have a lot of courses and a lot of content to talk about this, but admittedly, a lot of it goes really deep, really fast. A lot of that stuff is on thebettertraders.com. But in reality, I actually have something that's really exciting that's designed for people that are new to crypto. And that's what we've done over on masteringassets.com. So mastering assets, you've heard me talk about this a little bit. Maybe you've seen the links down below in the description of these videos, but I want to talk a little bit about this and why mastering assets is different from what we do at the Better Traders. For one, my course, The Complete Cryptocurrency Investor at Mastering Assets, is really designed for beginner to intermediate cryptocurrency investors. A lot of the content I talk about in my updates, in the all trading videos and trading strategy videos, these are all trading. These are like active trading, looking for gains, looking for how to minimize risk, but not really with the investor outlook. And there's a huge difference between an investor and a trader. And I think that'll help to set this up even better. Traders are looking for relatively short-term gains, or they're looking to realize those gains quicker so that way you can decide what to do with those gains, putting it into another trade. Whereas an investor is looking for something that's relatively hands-free. I would argue that most of the people that are watching this channel are actually investors at heart, but you're looking at the volatility of the crypto market and going, I kind of have to learn how to trade this. But most people, when they come into crypto, like me, we're coming in with an investor mindset. I just want to buy at a low price and I want to sell at a high price. But unfortunately, we all know that crypto is far from just going up and to the right in a straight diagonal line. And this is where the trading stuff on my channel comes into play. But it's not to say that you can't get by with an investing mindset. It comes down to timing. It comes down to position sizing. It comes down to forming an entry plan and an exit strategy. And that's what we talk about a lot, or what I talk about a lot in this Complete Cryptocurrency Investor course. Now, this course is not for everybody. I want to make that super duper clear. If you're someone that's already an active cryptocurrency trader, you've had years of experience in the market, you're not really going to enjoy this course because it's going to be a lot of the stuff that you've already learned from multiple sources over multiple years. But If you're someone that has been an equities trader, someone that's been buying gold or precious metals occasionally, someone that has some stocks, maybe you buy stocks every once in a while, but you're someone that's not actively looking to like day trade the crypto market, but you obviously want to have some knowledge and some exposure to crypto. And instead of just buying something and not really knowing what you're doing, you want to have a little bit of confidence, then this is the course for you. So on masteringassets.com, it goes over what is in the complete cryptocurrency investor course. Now, I'm not a big fan of like reading out every single bullet point. I think all of you are very intelligent people. You can do the reading yourself. And there's even a preview of actually one of the steps. The most exciting thing about this course, to be honest, is that this is a partnership course. We launched this in partnership with Kitco Media. Yeah, Kitco. So Kitco is a very amazing and trusted brand in the investment space, specifically with the gold-focused audience. So gold is a really good bridge to Bitcoin. While Bitcoin has yet to really prove itself as digital gold, we can clearly tell that there are very many similarities between gold and Bitcoin. And this course is going to be perfect for people that are coming into cryptocurrency with a precious metals background, or again, like a stock and an investor mindset background. So I invite you to head over to masteringassets.com to learn more about the complete cryptocurrency investor. You're going to find that link down below. And the main thing I want you to take away from this video is that while the crypto markets can be extremely volatile and you will have insane moments of FOMO and you'll have insane moments of absolute dread, feeling sick to your stomach, the reality is that experience comes with time. And the more well-prepared you are in what to expect in crypto, understanding how the market moves in waves or narratives, and developing your plan for entering and exiting, you're going to feel that, or rather, you're going to feel the bumps a little bit less. You're still going to feel it, but it's not going to be as dramatic as if you have never, ever experienced this market before, like someone that was just brand new coming into it. So I invite you to go over to masteringassets.com to check out the complete cryptocurrency investor now. And until the next time, you know what to do. Stay awesome and stay in the green. Peace.